This 2024 Winnebago Access 28FK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a Santorini interior, sleeps 6, leveling jacks, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, spare tire kit, external shower, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Access 28FK is 6,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.